Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer the money from TD to Tangerine bank. So let's get started. So it is very easy to do. You have to follow these easy steps. So first of all, you have to log in into the TD bank app. Okay. Then you have to click on the transfer option, as you can see. So here you have to go. Then you have to enter the transfer detail. So on the transfer detail you have to enter the Tangerine bank detail, and then you have to put the amount that you want to send. Then here to put the amount. After that you have to click on continue. Then you have to review the payment. Then you have to click on finish transfer and done. So this is how to transfer the money from TD bank to Tangerine. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.